This is Chippy from UMPC Portal at IDF 2010 San Francisco. So here's an interesting one. This is one of the first Oaktrail based products we've seen. It's obviously UMPC. This is running Windows 7. So Oaktrail is the Windows capable platform when you compare to Mooresdown. Next gen from Menlo. Obviously slider form factor. This is an engineering sample that I've got to be quite careful with. But look, it's a really nice form factor. Thumbs actually cross the middle, so you'll be able to actually get a good typing rate on this, and the keyboard does feel quite good. 4.8 inch screen. This is 1024 by 600 resolution, I guess. And we have on here this quite an interesting product from the same company, Ocosmos keys. Now the software behind this allows you to actually do a lot of things, remapping certain keys on the keyboard, and when the screen's closed, actually doing character input as well. So that's an interesting feature from Ocosmos keys. I should mention this is the product from a company called Ocosmos, and the product itself is basically just called does this product actually have a name yet? No? What's the name of the product, or is it called
OCS1?
OCS1.
Yeah, yes, we call it Tiny PC.
Tiny PC, TPC.
Yeah,
TPC.
No, TC.
Oh, TCP. OCS1. All right. So we've got a 1.5 gigahertz Oaktrail platform in here. Now, engineering sample for Oaktrail, because Oaktrail is not in full production until 2011. But let me very carefully and quickly take you around the device. There's a mini USB, full USB. So in comparison with, for example, Android-based devices, full USB host capability. So this is one of the advantages of Oaktrail platform. Here we have DC in, volume power button. That's just a sample. This is audio out, headphones as well. And then on this side here, micro SD and mini HDMI out. So this is HDMI out capable. Remember, Oaktrail platform has 1080p hardware decoding of a number of video formats on it. Camera on the front is 1.3 megapixels. If I just turn it over carefully, camera on the back 3.2 megapixels. This battery pack here is a large one that they've designed. Obviously this is an engineering sample of Oaktrail. So what will probably happen is once Oaktrail is refined, once the software is refined, there will actually be a flat battery pack, and much smaller than that. I'm guessing you could probably put a 10 to 12 watt hour battery in here, so this may not be, you know, your all-day device, but it could be an interesting, maybe 3-4 hour device. Kind of nice and light, probably around the 300 grams mark at a guess, and will be interesting to see how these Ocosmos keys work. This is something that we watched the video on, and looks very interesting. Can I close the screen?
Yes.
Yep. So there you go. Portrait mode, really nice in the hand. You can use it as an ebook reader, and of course this way around, web browsing, video, also ebook reading, and really nice screen quality there as well. This is a product for first half of 2011. Of course, we have to wait for Oaktrail before this comes into the market, and no word on pricing, of course, at the moment. But let's just wait and see what happens here. Ocosmos, this is a company out of South Korea.
Yes, South
Korea. And we'll keep close contact with these guys to try and find out when this is going to hit the market. This is Chippy from UMPCportal.com at IDF 2010.